Hello everyone, today I decided to record a short screencast tutorial about how to use NCurses library and Swift programming language to create text-based applications. So open up Xcode and create a new project. Select command line tool template, which is located under OSX application. Then fill the project name, pick Swift as programming language and continue. Here you can pick location for your project. I will just leave it on my desktop. And here we are inside our project. On the left side we can see our main.swift file. Let's open it up and take a look inside. In that file we will write all of our code. Our goal is to create a Hello World program with message centered on the screen. We will also play with colors and change them. First thing we have to do is importing library itself. After that, Xcode will know about methods we need to call to get things done. Now, nothing stays in our way to write an actual code. Before everything else, we need to initialize terminal window with NCurses. And since we want to use colors in our program, we need to prepare for that. Start color method is what we need. We also don't want user input to show up on screen, and for our purpose, it's better to have hidden cursor. We can do that by calling noEcho method and cursor set to 0. Then we are initializing color pair. We are using black color as foreground and green as background. Next we create a constant to store the message that will be printed on screen. In our case it's simply hello world. By calling getMaxX and getMaxY methods, we can find out size of terminal window and store those values for next computing. Our next step is to prepare terminal for writing by clearing all leftovers there. Clear method will do the job. We can compute the actual position of our message now. To find centering point, simply divide screen size by 2. For horizontal centering, we also need to subtract half of the message length. After calculations, we can simply move the hidden cursor to that computed position where we will be writing our message. Then we need to tell NCurses that we want to use our defined color pair. Right between the middle of attribute on and attribute of method, we will print message to the screen. Since we are done with writing, we need to refresh terminal to update changes we made. Now we just wait until user press some key and deinitialize NCurses window right before our program finishes its execution. If we try to run the program, we will see some nasty errors. That's because linker don't know about NCurses methods we are using in our code. To fix that, we need to link NCurses itself to our binary. Click on project, select build phases and click on link binary with libraries, then add NCurses from list. If we try building again and running our program, we will see that build is completed with success, but app crashes. As we can read from output message, it doesn't know about any terminal. That's because Xcode doesn't open one. So to run our program, open the terminal and navigate to project directory, which should be similar to path I'm using. Only part that differ is project name. Now when everything is set up, we can run generated binary by writing / and binary name and pressing enter. As you can see, our hello world message is printed and centered correctly. There's only one problem with color. That's because I use bad ID for color pair. Go ahead and change it from 0 to 1. Then rebuild project and run again from terminal window. Everything is working as expected now. And that's all for this tutorial. If you have any questions or idea, feel free to write a comment. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.